Most novice gardeners think growing tomatoes is as simple as planting a seed. The truth is, nurturing a tomato plant is both an art and a science. Tomatoes are among the most rewarding plants to grow. They offer a bounty of fresh fruit when given the right care and conditions. Understanding their needs is the first step toward a successful harvest. Tomatoes thrive in sunlight. They require at least 6 to 8 hours of full sun each day. This exposure fuels photosynthesis, which helps the plant produce energy and develop fruit. The soil is another critical component. Tomatoes prefer a well-draining, loamy soil rich in organic matter. Before planting, enrich your soil with compost or aged manure. This provides essential nutrients and improves soil structure. Acidity matters too. Tomatoes grow best in soil with a pH of 6.0 to 6.8. A soil test can help determine the current pH level. If adjustments are needed, lime can raise pH and sulfur can lower it. Spacing is crucial. Plant tomatoes about 18 to 24 inches apart. This distance allows air circulation, reducing disease risks and ensuring each plant gets ample sunlight. Tomatoes need consistent watering. Irregular watering can lead to problems like blossom end rot. Water deeply and aim for around 1 to 1.5 inches of water per week. Early morning is the best time to water, minimizing evaporation losses. Support structures are essential. As tomato plants grow, they often need support to keep branches off the ground. Cages, stakes, or trellises can help keep fruits clean and prevent stem breakage. Pruning encourages healthier growth and better fruit production. Remove the lower leaves that touch the ground. This limits disease spread from soil splash. Pinch off small suckers that grow between the main stem and branches. This allows the plant to focus its energy on producing fruit. Fertilizing your tomato plants is key to their development. A balanced fertilizer high in phosphorus will support fruit development. Avoid nitrogen-heavy fertilizers, which promote leafy growth at the expense of fruits. Watch for pests. Common tomato pests include aphids, tomato hornworms, and whiteflies. Regularly inspect your plant's leaves and stems. Handpicking and using neem oil can control minor infestations. For more significant issues, introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs. Diseases are another concern. Early blight, late blight, and powdery mildew can harm your plants. Rotating crops and ensuring proper air circulation can prevent many diseases. Infected plants should be removed immediately to stop the spread. One thing many gardeners overlook is the importance of companion planting. Basil, marigolds, and garlic can help deter pests. They also improve flavors and the overall health of your tomato plants. Harvesting tomatoes requires patience. Pick them when they are fully colored but still firm. Twist gently to avoid damaging the plant. Ripened tomatoes can be stored at room temperature for a few days or refrigerated for longer storage. In closing, growing tomatoes is an enriching experience that combines patience, observation, and care. By meeting their specific needs, you transform a simple seed into a fruitful vine. Every step, from seed to harvest, offers lessons in sustainable gardening. This journey is more than about growing food, it's about connecting with nature.